Wondering how you can book an academic coaching or tutoring appointment with learning assistants in the AAC? You will start on your BSU student portal. Then, under the Academics tab, click on Academic Achievement Center. Lastly, you will click on Click here to schedule an appointment in Accudemia. To get to Accudemia quicker in the future, click the star on the top right corner of your browser to set it as a bookmark. Once you are in Accudemia, you will hit Schedule Appointment. You will then see 3 different centers and multiple meeting types. The first is Academic Advising, for meeting with an advisor to discuss classes and registration. The second is Academic Coaching, for meeting with a coach to discuss skills such as time management, goal setting, and study skills. The third is Tutoring Services, for meeting with tutors from Accounting and Finance, Writing Studio, Second Language Services, Math Services, and Tutoring Central. Each meeting type is offered for online or in person, so you will want to pay attention to that when selecting your appointment. As an example, I selected Academic Coaching in person. You will now see the availability for all coaches or tutors for your course for the current week. If you'd prefer an hour-long appointment, you can change it under the Duration tab at the top. You can also get to know your coach or tutor by clicking on the bio card to the left of their name. If no times work for you in the current week, use the Next button to look ahead to the next week. Now I will select my appointment. Here I have the option to add notes or attach a document with information for my coach or tutor. If you plan to meet with your coach or tutor consistently, set up a recurring appointment. Once you hit confirm, you and your coach or tutor will both receive a confirmation email. If you ever need to miss your appointment, click View All under Upcoming Appointments. Check the box next to your appointment, and then hit Cancel at the top. And that's all. To learn how to check in for your appointment at the AAC, see the video linked below. Thanks for watching.